Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at how to implement the atrous or atrous conv2d in TensorFlow. So here is, I've already written the code. This is the input tensor that we have, and then this is the filter that we have. And filter, I've on purpose made these values as zeros, and we are going to set the rate as 2 to start with, or let's just say we keep the rate as 1, and yeah, for implementation we simply are going to say tf.nn.atrous underscore conv2d. Then for value we give the input. For filters we have the filter f, and for the rate that's the integer value of 1 that we specify. And now when we run this, we get the output, which is this output, and the output is of shape 1 by 3 by 5. And this is because in this particular case what we have is the we have set the rate as 1. So the way this is working is we are taking these 4, so we have this 1 2 1 1, so we apply this filter on that. So what we are essentially getting is we are going to add this one with this one, and that gives us a value of 2, and in the output that's this 2 right here. Next we look at the 2 3 1 1. Again these two values are 0. All we are left with this 2 and this 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and therefore we get this 3 right here again, and so on. So in this case, even though this is atrous or dilated convolution, because we have set the rate to 1, this is performing like a normal conv2d, and we can check that if we use the tf.nn.conv2d, and here if we specify dilations, if we just comment this out or just specify dilations as 1 and run this, we get the same output that we have above. So this is 2 3 4 5 6, 2 3 4 5 6, same output. Now to use dilation, what we can do is we can put a value of set the value of rate as 2, and what that will do is we would skip one value in middle. So let's say we are looking at these, so if we look at these two, we are going to skip the 2. So this is going to be addition. So the first value that we have here is 8, and that's because we are going to skip, when we are going like this, we are going to skip the 2, and we are going down, we are going to skip these values. So essentially we are going to use this value, the 9 and 7 uh, for the convolution operation with the filter that we have. And because we have two zeros, therefore 0 multiplied by 0, 3 multiplied by 0 is 0, 9 multiplied by 0 is 0, and what we are left with is this one. 1 times 1 is 1, 7 times 1 is 7, so 1 plus 7 is 8, and we get a value of 8. Likewise, if we go one place down, then we are looking at this one, this two, and this two. So this is 1 times 1 is 1, and then 2 times 1 is 2, and so we have 1 plus 2 is 3, and that is the 3 that we get. So this is how the atrous convolution would work, and we can get the same value using normal conv2d. If we set the value of dilations to 2, we get the same values of 8 and 3s right here. So that's how we can implement the atrous or atrous conv2d in TensorFlow. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.